Alright, so testing, just testing out this thing to make sure it's working. Yeah. Yes guys, big up on yourself. Another day from the farm. Yeah. Half a foundation. Different style and pattern. Yeah man. Yes. So got this new last night from the one dancing bees. Everything is getting expensive. I guess this tariff, the price of bees went up, especially anterior grown bees, you know. So the reality eating every market everywhere. That tariff, you know, things get expensive. Anyway, just want to check out and see what's going on inside this box. Especially right here. Let's see what's going on. Yeah. So I got it last night, didn't get a chance to do anything. So see, this is propolis right here. What happened was maybe they add some dead bees or something. Should they piece them down, you know? I'm gonna be looking for the queen first to make sure that she's here before I do anything else. Alright. This is a nice drone stream. Drone bees, those big ones. Yeah. It's big price. Different types of drone, different color. Beers, you know. These are some big guys. Very big. So these are anterior bees, you know. So the queen is laying in this one. Yeah, she did some early morning eggs. Fresh eggs. Yes, drones in this box. As if they're turning to hive, you know, but it's a nuke. Oh, here was our queen. Our prize is right here. Very nice queen though. She's not marked on, so I'm gonna mark her just to make sure she's easy to identify. Can easily be found. You know. So let's see. That's the reason why it's good to mark. When you mark now, she can easily be found, you know. She's right here. That's all. Yeah. So now she can easily be found, you know. Blue dot. This year the blue dot said the queen. Yeah. This is how you know it. So now like we found out that we have a good queen. She's young. Based on her size, but that's good. So it's easily be identified now. Not to search too long to find her again. You know? Alright, so mission accomplished. Found our queen. So now we have to build around her. Build around her now. Have some support here. That's a food frame right there. Something like that. Nuts. In 8 pounds of honey to make 1 pound of wax. So these extra frame right here is like food for them to build wax. I want to try something different this year with this hive. This is gonna be our exhibition hive, right? Prototype. Yeah. So for now, there's not a lot of bees. For now, can do that. Queen is inside, she's laying. Very small, but we're gonna work it like that just to see what will become of it. I gave them two foundation frame and 2 frames of honey. So those they can use those to pull those frames. That's it for that one.